Judicial custody of Arvind Kejriwal that's been given to the ED till 15th of April. So 15-day custody that's been given, judicial custody of Arvind Kejriwal to the Enforcement Directorate. So that's the newspaper that is just coming in. Kejriwal, who's now been sent to judicial custody until 15th of April. The ED very clearly in the court mentions that Kejriwal has been giving evasive replies. He's not been cooperating with the agencies. The ED also mentions that Kejriwal has been confronted with all those accused who have turned approvers in this case. So he was confronted with proof that's been provided by the accused who have turned approvers in Liquorgate probe. He is going to be in judicial custody until 15th of April. Riyanka, of course, continues to be with us. Riyanka, once again, take us through the arguments being made in the court. He is going to be staying in judicial custody until 15th of April. But talk to us about the angles which are going to be focused by the ED as it's now got the judicial custody of Kejriwal.
Well, that is the big update coming in right now. Well, Arvind Kejriwal has been sent to the judicial custody for 15 days. Till 15th of April, Arvind Kejriwal will be in the judicial custody that has been now given by the court. What we're also getting to know at this point in time that Arvind Kejriwal's counsel has said there have been 3 applications that have been moved for getting the medicines. 3 books which are mentioned in the application, and they did not expect the judicial custody today. This is what Arvind Kejriwal's counsel has gone ahead and told the court, that we were not expecting a judicial custody today, but the court going ahead and giving Arvind Kejriwal or putting him into the judicial custody is indeed a big setback for the Aam Aadmi Party and the Delhi Chief Minister, because this case is intensifying with each passing day. So the big breaking coming in at this point is that Arvind Kejriwal has been remanded to the judicial custody till the 15th of April, that is 15 day, which was in fact sought by the Enforcement Directorate. On what grounds? Well, the ED is constantly maintaining the fact that Arvind Kejriwal's conduct is being non-cooperating. He has been evasive. He is constantly telling the Enforcement Directorate that he does not know what exactly happened. So here the ED has become more stronger. They are creating a strong case against Arvind Kejriwal. So 15-day judicial custody for the Delhi Chief Minister in the liquor policy case.
Right, Riyanka, stay with us. In fact, we are also getting details of the arguments that are currently being made by Arvind Kejriwal's counsel, who says rather has objected to the further custody of Arvind Kejriwal. He says that there should be a special diet that should be provided to Arvind Kejriwal, citing his medical condition, further saying that he should be provided with proper medicines. 3 books mentioned in the application. So that is essentially the arguments being made by the Arvind Kejriwal's counsel. Riyanka, if you're still with us, take us once again through these arguments. Arvind Kejriwal's counsel there seeking not just the medicines but also a special diet while he is going to be in judicial custody until 15th of April.
Well, as soon as the court remanded Arvind Kejriwal to 15-day judicial custody, 3 applications have been moved by Arvind Kejriwal's counsel. One is of providing him with special diet in the jail, and the second him to provide him with 3 books that have been mentioned in the application. Books and a religious locket is also being mentioned here, that he is seeking to be with him during the judicial custody, and he is in fact being sent to the judicial custody for 15 days. So the application now being moved by Arvind Kejriwal's counsel is to provide him with the basic medicines that he takes in terms of his blood sugar levels, and also provide him with special diet. 3 books that have been demanded by Arvind Kejriwal are, that is the Ramayana, the Mahabharata, and How Prime Minister Decides, written by journalist Neerja Chaudhary. So these are the details that we are gathering as to what exactly has Arvind Kejriwal's counsel filed in the application when it comes to looking for or seeking special diet, medicines, 3 books, and the religious locket that he's wearing during his judicial custody till the 15th of April.
Right, Riyanka, requesting you to stay with us. In fact, if you can talk to us more about the angles being probed by the central agency. Significantly, the ED very categorically had mentioned last time around that there are certain AAP leaders who have accepted to having received the bribes from the liquor barons, which in turn was used for the funding for the Goa elections.
Well, that's right as well, because how we saw the angles of Goa and Punjab also pouring into the entire case of the Liquorgate. Here comes the South lobby, who paid in kickbacks of 100 crores to the Aam Aadmi Party allegedly, and out of those 100 crores, 45 crores were allegedly spent on the Goa elections. This is what has been claimed by the enforcement.